Hindi lahat ng abogado pwedeng magnotaryo. So for today, let me take you back to the day when I took my oath in front of the executive judge for my appointment as notary public in Quezon City. Let's go! Before a lawyer can notarize documents, we still need to file a petition for commission as notary public in the regional trial court with voluminous attachments proving that we are a lawyer in good standing and of good moral character. After filing, the executive judge will send a notice of hearing stating that a summary hearing and oath-taking will be held. Nung oath-taking, marami akong kasabay ng mga lawyers na mag-oath din. At sobrang kinakabahan ako nun kasi yung secretary ni judge, sabi niya na magpaparecite daw si judge ng preamble ng Constitution. So ako naman, memorize ako ng memorize. Tapos nung oath-taking, tama nga, nagparecite si judge. After oath, hindi pwedeng agad-agad magnotaryo. I had to wait until the executive judge released my certificate of notarial commission. So yun, pwede na ako magnotaryo ng affidavit of loss dito sa Quezon City. Ayun lang, bukas naman.